As you start planning your next trip to a different country by looking into hotels, flights, and tourist attractions, don't forget that the key to a smooth travel experience is ensuring you have the best luggage brand by your side. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best carry-on luggage of 2025 in the market, which are the best for you. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular user use, if you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. TravelPro Platinum Elite 21 Carry-On Spinner. TravelPro's Platinum Elite line of luggage is still our top pick after 10 years of testing. It addresses the concerns of most travelers for an affordable price, while offering the best warranty against potential airline damage in the industry. As long as you register the luggage within 120 days of purchase, which you can do in minutes. The Platinum Elite features smooth rolling, replaceable wheels, as well as solid and comfortable telescoping handles, and a hard-wearing nylon exterior propped up by a solid internal chassis. Instead of chasing the smart bag moment, TravelPro added an exterior pocket with a USB pass-through extension that lets you insert your own battery pack for charging your phone. And weighing less than 8 pounds when empty, the Platinum Elite is dead in the center of average weight for bags this size. Number 2. TravelPro MaxLite 521 Carry-On Spinner. Some companies have tried to shave off a few pounds from their standard luggage designs to make so-called ultralight luggage. The TravelPro MaxLite 521 Carry-On Spinner is the best of these bags we've seen, and it comes with a pedigree of our top pick, but not quite as strong a warranty. The MaxLite 5 is just over 2 pounds lighter than our top pick. That's the weight of 2 or 3 pairs of jeans. It's not a huge difference, but if you have trouble lifting luggage over your head and prefer an easier-to-manage suitcase, the MaxLite may fit be your choice. This bag is also the best one we've found under $200, with almost all the benefits of luggage nearly twice the price. Number 3. Yeti Crossroads 22/35L Wheeled Luggage. The Yeti Crossroads 22-35L wheeled luggage represents the best of a relatively niche type of luggage design. Call it a hybrid model, a blend of a soft-sided luggage on top and hard-sided luggage on the back that lends itself to fairly specific circumstances. It's ideal for tough roads, broken streets, and slamming your luggage into uneven curves with abandon. Do most people need this kind of luggage for their day-to-day travel? Absolutely not. And it can feel heavier than it really is. But if you do, this is the best there is, at least for the moment. Number 4. Samsonite Freeform Hard Side Expandable Spinner. This top-performing suitcase from our best overall luggage brand Samsonite has repeatedly stood out in the textiles labs and our consumers' tests and is priced under $200, an incredible value. The hard side carry-on is made of polypropylene and weighs in at just 6.5 pounds, which is one of the lightest bags we've tested, so it won't eat too much into the lower weight restrictions set by many international airlines. I was impressed by how easy it was to lift and roll the bag around, even when filled with our standard packing load. Despite the lightweight design, this carry-on is spacious with a butterfly opening, unfolding into 2 primary compartments for easy packing, and there's an additional 1 inch of expandable storage with the pull of a zipper. During our lab evaluations, we liked how easy it was to pull the bag through our luggage obstacle course. Number 5. Briggs & Riley 31-inch Baseline Extra Large Expandable. The innovative design details of the soft side check bag from Briggs & Riley help to simplify packing for extended trips abroad. The bag features a unique push-button expansion system unlike any other we've evaluated, which allows you to easily expand the bag, fill it with everything you'll need, and then compress it back down to its standard size. One tester who was impressed with the amount of space in the carry-on version of the bag shared, it fit clothing and accessories for 2 people for a 7-day summer vacation. And this check bag offers more than double the packing capacity. Other innovative features include a built-in trifold garment folder for formal attire and reinforced corners for added protection. At 15.6 pounds, the suitcase does way more than other models we've evaluated, but it is made with a nylon material that resisted wear and tear when I tested it in our abrasion machine.